Intelligence is overrated, bro. I'm just keeping a buck with you. And that's coming from somebody who has all my life, intelligence has been a part of my identity, right? I'm just being real honest with you here, right? So I value it. I don't want to make it seem any other way. I value it. I love being around smart people. I love talking to smart people. That's part of why me and you hit it off, right? I can tell when people are bright really quickly, and that's who I gravitate to. So I put a value on it, full stop. And I think it's overrated. Because the truth is, you don't need to be a genius to be crazy successful. Mm-mm. There is like a threshold of intelligence, right? You can't be one of these guys that, you know, you can't walk and chew gum at the same time, right? Like you're going to have a hard time being successful. But once you cross a basic threshold, you just need to be smart enough.
I completely agree, bro. It's kind of crazy. Well, either you have it or you don't is what I think. And it's like a very, very base level of thing. Then after that, it's really like mindset and, as stupid as it sounds, like stick-to-itiveness.
That's true. That's totally true. Once you have the threshold cleared, it's not about intelligence anymore. That's a non-issue, right? It's about stick-to-itiveness and grit and creativity.
Yeah, creativity is huge.
Right? Emotional intelligence, like now that's crazy important.
Yeah.
But how much gray matter, right? Like how fast the synapses fire, it just is overrated. Unless you want to work for NASA. Now, if you want to work for NASA, you know, you need that.
Exactly. But I mean, generally the people who listen to this, if you're going to, let's say, be the executive, I think emotional intelligence is probably the thing that you need to develop the most, because you need to be able to lead those really intelligent people and be a good enough person and have a big enough vision to where they actually care.
That is the quote of the episode. Seriously.
Sweet.
That is the quote of the episode. Because this is something that, and I remember in B school, to their great credit, they actually talked a lot about this. They were like, you guys all come in here and you want to learn how to build a model and you want to learn this technical, this, that, and the other.
Yep.
And they were like, you guys don't get it yet. They were like, those skills, those are 1 comma skills. Yeah. People skills, that's 2 comma skills. Right? You want to build a big organization, right? You want to personally make sure you take down, 2 commas every year. You need to understand people, managing people, managing up, managing down, managing the energy level in your organization.
Yeah.
Shit like that nobody talks about. Building culture.
Talks about that shit.
Nobody talks about it. That's 2 comma skills, bro. Seriously, way more 100%. Than like how fast can you calculate? Who cares?
No, yeah.
Who cares?
That, and then marketing. I think Elon Musk is really taken off because he's an amazing marketer. And like with what he's doing with everything, no matter what anybody says, bro, Elon's one of the best marketers in the world through and through.
Elon, it depends on the day. Some days I'm like, this is the smartest man to ever walk the planet. And then some days I'm like, this dumb monkey, what is he doing to this? What is he doing? He clearly is exceptionally bright, like freakish bright.
You're
he's
still
the kind
thinking
of
about him. Is the thing. Like some days, both days you're still thinking about him. That's what matters.
Both days that's a great point, right? And I think people have not maybe given him enough credit for his marketing chops, because he has, yes, he's the richest man in the world, but who's the second richest? I'll wait.
Jeffy B.
Is Jeff 2? I'm not sure Jeff is number 2.
Jeffy B. He may be. It's either Jeffy B or Old Man Warren.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, I think Old Man Warren's like top 10.
He slipped a little bit. Yeah. He's like number 6 or 7 now.
I just don't think he cares anymore.
I don't think he cares anymore. Right. But the point is that Elon, I don't think people give him enough credit for his marketing chops. He has mastered staying in the conversation, right? Staying in the public consciousness. And so, yeah, he's brilliant. He is also technically, he's got a lot of great matter. Insane. I mean, he's insane. But he also has this other thing of understanding people and staying in the conversation. He's a genius. I don't use that word that much, but he's a genius.
He's a genius.